Doogee surprised the masses when they announced a successor to the Mix late last year, the Mix 2. This is the company's first contender in the 18:9 display market, although the Mix did feature an almost bezel-less setup. Hi guys, this is Kim of YugaTech, and here is our unboxing and hands-on of the Doogee Mix 2. Upon opening the box, the first thing that will greet you is of course the Doogee Mix 2 unit. Underneath the box, there's a USB Type-C to micro USB adapter, the USB Type-C to 3.5mm, the charger, the USB-C cable, and the SIM ejector pin. The mini box contains the manuals, an extra screen protector, and the hard case. The Mix 2 actually looks and feels premium. The ocean blue color fits the device well and gives off an elegant aura. Up front, you'll be greeted by a monstrous 6-inch 18:9 aspect ratio Full HD Plus display. Just above it are the dual 8-megapixel 130° plus an 8-megapixel 88° front cameras, speakerphone, and sensor. The bottom is left bare as the Mix 2 uses on-screen navigation. The right side of the device houses the volume rockers and power lock button, while the left side is noticeably absent of any ports, slots, or buttons. Up top, we have the hybrid dual SIM card slot, though it would have been nicer if it had a dedicated microSD card slot. Down below, we have a USB Type-C port and 2 speaker grills. Flip it on its back and you'll see the 16-megapixel plus 13-megapixel dual rear cameras with LED flash and the fingerprint scanner. Just below these is the Doogee logo. The Mix 2 is not just a large device. Weighing at 210 grams, it's quite heavy too. All that weight is sort of understandable due to the internals it carries. It is powered by MediaTek Helio P25 chipset with a large 6GB of RAM, 64GB of storage, and Android 7.1 Nougat. A quick Antutu benchmark revealed a score of 73,840, which is actually pretty good score. The Doogee Mix 2 is available for order at Lazada for 12,995 pesos. To know more about the device, watch out for a full review. Again, this is Kim of YugaTech, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!